Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. Why na anokwa ogo na azo nwoke. Palava ada agwa. Viewers and subscribers, ikpe nke a bụ between nwanyị na nwanyị. A na-azọ die nke nwanyị na asị na nke nwanyị nke ọzọ na alụ ya die. Ọ bụrụ na ọnụ m ka o yesi wee pụta, mana ihe eji anya ikilie video ka ịfụ ka nwanyị nọ na di na nke ọzọ si analia di. O wee si ife ọgwa ya bụ no si ya. I saw you the other day with my husband. You were sneaking around him. You were not merely. Now for Kissi, you were looking at him and luring him with your eyes. If I can want you, say I will enter you today. I will enter you. Use your eye to see. Palava every day. Oda agwago. Take your eye see this video.
Mind. Then my phone now. I don't know. That's my phone now. Okay. It's not my phone. Okay. Check out my. You know, I blow my phone. My phone is kitchen. I can't for chat to me now, Patrick. You think it's anybody? See, I came here to buy clothes. I saw how you were. No, all over my husband that day. I saw how you were all over my husband that day. Let me just get everything. My husband that day. Let me just get everything.
And deal with it.
No, not to it. Don't involve her. Madam, I go now, not complain.
Fuck my husband, then you rest.
I go into you. I go blind. I go blind you. Relax. No, tell the phone. No, tell the shot. Give it to me. No. Give way. I'll bust your head. Give way. Are you mad? I will give you. You don't imagine. You say my mother, I will give you better. You will regret it. You will regret it. If I don't go, it's okay. You will regret it. I don't know maybe you will. I know. So relax.
Look at bottle everywhere. Huh? Jesus Christ. Echekwa na nwa no die ka ọkala ijekwu wee si ọga ke nke gị na ụmụ agbọghọ kwa ke nke ị na-eso alụkwa ụmụ nwaanyị ịchọka ibe ime ọya. Apịakwa ma bottle ịma na ọ bụrụ ihe niile ka anyị egosi. Apịa ma ọkpọ Nini sife bo father anukwu ife father anu ife o si ya I will enter you no ge me awu ihe niile obidokwa mebe ife niile ihe a bụ n'ime afia ka ihe ame n'ime afia ka ihe ame okay nwaanyị a na-anụsa nwaanyị ọgụ kịta o mere na nwoke aka ya achakwa onye ọzọ nwoke a di ya anụ akịta ọ na-anụ ọgụ n'afa die o mere na this man echi even onwe ike ọ na-anụ ọgụ akịta wit onye a na-apịasu this woman the man in question will go to another person. If you're not understanding what I'm saying, let me narrate it in English, okay? So this is a story of two ladies. One is married. We are not sure whether the other one is married too, but the other one is angry that her husband is chasing this other one, and she had to confront her and told her, I will enter you. I will do you the street way. I will do you the street way. I saw you lurking around my husband. That's what she said. And you know, normally the street way started happening. Okay, now for me to analyze it, what stops this man from going to another person after this woman? So how many people this woman want to fight? Madam, how many people do you want to fight? Probably we go on this woman personal a water or what's it called enter because no feeling no kale ya imana ndi Igbo say na na-efe onye kale na iya enta nwunye amara nke esi ekwu mana mmadụ fe onye ọkali ọ na-achakpo di anya mana ofe onye kalezi ya n'ọnwayo nwaanyị na-anụso nwaanyị ibi ọgụ mmadụ one ka ya anụso ọgụ ọchụ okeke ịnụsi ọgụ ọchụ oke afọ ịnụsi because men ụmụ nwoke ọ ga-achọlele ihe a bụ real things na-eme ọ da ata ya ụtọ in as much as that lady the wrong you are very wrong I date a married man. Do you know one thing? The thing is that most of these women they date these married guys, they know that the man is married. Imifa ye bedozi aka no wite na say no nwe ekwu ego wes ka onaptagodi this man ego na nwoke ana feeling no oji ego ka anatagodi ego oji even na sometimes ụmụ nwoke awọta adị na ego ka ụmụ nwaanyị chọ farmer adị na ego. Men don't even know that women don't care about anything rather than money, and most times the men will not know. They think it's love. Oga, what kind of love are you looking for outside your home? They don't know it's not love. Oh, it's not. See, this woman, this lady, she doesn't love you. She just care about your money. And most times, women, when they mother fabo, they, some people want to date the man because ha feel na munye na mega too much. Call sagodi mwanya, call mwanya na if ije mega no worry fortune. This man bo public toilet. Nenanya fawebu tezo mwe fani mafia inside the marketplace. This woman, let me tell you, you are very wrong, because in these days, social media is everywhere. This video have to go online, and you could be assaulted. You could, the police ya buluwa ya ozabo oba nije men madu ya men. You can always find a way to, jide fe bo red-handed. Obro someone ki jide madiga it deal with dig. Ikubezie maka all demand. Abona this man, let's say baby how far. Every day I na for palava nka abukwa nke na emen. Right now I'm telling you palava oda agwago. I'm your girl Bella. Every day we see palava and I'm here to analyze it. So however you feel about this video, leave your comments on the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because your girl is always here to give you palava, because palava the finish you. Toodles, bye.